I realized that there is a gap between the supply chain of medicinal herbs from farm to consumers. So I started Carmel Organics together with one of my co-founder, Mr. Rajesh Sagitla. Once we developed the sourcing and the production of these medicinal herbs, we started searching for the markets. We contacted those companies by email, on the internet, did the phone calls. This is how we got the response from the companies based across the globe. We worked on the computers to know the herbs better and better, to read about the research and development happened on any specific product, and we try to understand that how to grow any herb in a weather, what conditions, and we try to understand the regions where particular herb is being grown. Our first customer we made is because of the computers.
जैसे कुछ फार्मर्स रहते हैं जो कोई चीज़ उगा रहे हैं तो उसके ऊपर पूरी स्टडी वगैरह सारी चीज़ें कंप्यूटर पे देखना, उनका कंप्यूटर बहुत सारा मटेरियल रहता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहती है, जैसे उनका टेम्परेचर कितना रहना चाहिए, सोइल, उसका पीएच वैल्यू, ये सारी चीज़ें कंप्यूटर पे आसानी से मिल जाती है।
कंप्यूटर का ज़्यादातर अपना रिसर्च में ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी करता है कंप्यूटर, तो उसमें अपन ऑर्डर ट्रैक भी कंप्यूटर से करते हैं, सप्लायर ढूंढना, बायर ढूंढना और कोड रखना, सब कुछ अपन कंप्यूटर की सहायता से करते हैं।
Computer helps me a lot because at the designation where I am sitting, we have to regularly update it with the markets. We have regularly updated with our products quality.
I will take care of all the back-end part, which includes purchase, operations, financial management and people management. Because of increasing the business, day by day increasing the business, so we are working on that to build a best IT team here. We start our business with the computer only.
Without computers, nobody can do the business, nobody can do even anything. Everything is happen with the computers only.
Fun.
Family.
Bright. Growth. Learning.